Did you know introverts literally sweat from fear during conversations while extroverts sweat from excitement? Here's the shocking truth about what happens under your skin. When introverts enter social situations, their bodies produce eccrine sweat at 3 times the normal rate within seconds. This isn't regular sweat, it's stress sweat, packed with different chemical compounds that others can actually smell. Meanwhile, extroverts produce apocrine sweat, the kind you get from stimulation and excitement. The difference is huge. Introvert stress sweat contains cortisol and adrenaline that create a distinct odor. Other people pick up on this scent subconsciously, often triggering negative social responses without knowing why. This chemical reaction happens instantly and can last for hours after a conversation ends. So while an introvert tries to appear confident on the outside, their skin is biochemically announcing their discomfort. Their bodies are literally betraying them through their pores. No wonder social interactions feel so draining.